You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this medication once and for all. This is an antiplatelet substance molecule, and it's often sold under the brand name Brilinta. Ticagrelor. Ticagrelor is the English pronunciation. How to pronounce, pretty straightforward once you know Ticagrelor. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.